Hi, I'm Dean Heckler with Heckler. We're here at InfoComm 2024 showing off a preview of a whole new line of mobile stands. We call it Heckler Mobile Fleet. The first item in the mobile fleet is Confidence Stand. This has 20 degrees of display tilt. It has storage in the back. Everything in this product line assembles toollessly. You can assemble them in 2 minutes, break them down just as fast. Next one in the fleet is our Wayfinder stand, great for touch screens, ADA compliant information kiosks. Next up we have the breakout stand. This is great for lounge areas, breakout collaboration spaces where screen sharing may be occurring, but also the need for video meeting support. This is our primary collaboration stand. This can hold up to a 75-inch display, 42 inches AFF, so that you've got a good position for a video bar below with a good eye line. Our system here, again, all toolless, has a series of VESA-compatible sockets. So that's how we stay compatible with all VESA patterns. You just click the columns in to match up with the VESA pattern on your display. We get a lot of requests to support bigger and bigger displays. So the mobile fleet includes an XL display stand that can support up to 225-pound, 105-inch 21:9 displays, or 98-inch displays up to 16:9, and also lift that up to 42 inches AFF for a great eye line. Not only is it toolless and it builds quickly and disassembles quickly, but it ships very compact. This is an entire collaboration stand bundled up, ready to ship. So it's a great selection for a global corporate standard where you want to have the same stand in all offices globally. These can ship globally very easily and inexpensively. And then lastly, we have the dual display stand, dual 65s and dual 75-inch displays, easily mounted, all ADA compliant. Everything in the line is ADA compliant. No display protrudes further than 12 inches from the base, the cane detectable base. We have an accessory here for the video meeting kit where it has a small trough to hide all the cables and adapters, mounting a video bar, and hosting a tap controller. And that's the Heckler mobile fleet. If you need more information, please check out heckler.com. Thank you very much.